Alright, so I'm still showing you guys where the Holo-Plan piece is and how I get it in my complicated way. Okay. So alright, see it there, and then I just had a problem with, like, I was usually getting like too low by the time I got over there, and then you fall. It doesn't even give you a chance to like glide or get out your razor claws or anything. You just fall. So, but
mechanic to the loading docks.
Here.
Mechanic to the loading docks.
Oh, something's wrong with me today. You get so high and then unless you. Okay. And here again is where he air clawed over there, and then for the life of me, I could not get myself to do it. So something is wrong with my controller or something. So here, let's do that. Just make sure I'm up high enough. And then right here on this platform is usually like a stack of boxes right here. That's where it is. And if it's not right there, which I'm pretty sure it is, then it'll be over here in like these boxes. There'll probably be a lot of boxes on this platform. It'll just be somewhere over there. So as long as you're on that platform, you'll find it. Now, alright, now for Planet Jacendu. This is a real easy one. Okay, this one is definitely one of the easy ones to get. Okay. So just right here, off to the right, is this little thing over here. There'll be a stack of boxes here. I already broke them with the Rhino 4 from way back there, but yeah, and the Holo-Plan piece will be right there. So just gonna do death abuse for no reason. Okay. Now to Public Passage. Okay. This one's pretty easy. You just gotta know where to look. Once you know where to look, you'll be able to find it. Oh. So you see this little grab ramp right here. It's kind of hard to spot when you're just, moving along. You're just not really looking for it. Anyway, right here there'll be like a stack of boxes, and it'll be right there. So that's where that Holo-Plan piece is. believe that's numbered. We only have like 3 more left, so the next one's really easy. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. Planet Reaper. You won't believe how easy this is. Okay, so right up to like here, just over here like this. And there'll be a stack of boxes where this one box is. There'll be a whole stack, and that's where the Holo-Plan piece is. So no point in doing death abuse. Just go back up here. There's Clank and Zephyr and Ratchet. So, alright, now to Igliak. Oh, wow. Alright. Need to press X. Yeah. Okay, Planet Igliak. And this is where you start off on All for One too, just Planet Igliak. But this one, another easy one. You just go through the normal, normal trail, whatever you want to call it. You go through when you're going through the level like normal. Oh, don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Okay, over here. I don't know why I did a high jump instead of a long jump, but okay. And then right here, where this one box is like a stack, and that's where the Holo-Plan piece is, okay? Okay. Death abuse. Okay. Now just one more to get. And that's on. It has to be nighttime festoon, okay? Not daytime, just nighttime. And if you use my glitch that I did in my Tools of Destruction glitches, where you can get to the Court of Azimuth during the day, it still won't be there. And if it is, that's pretty weird, but I'm pretty sure it will not be there at all. It has to be nighttime. This one's easy too. Okay, here at the beginning, you have the teleport, Court of Azimuth, and then right here. Oh, along this right wall. I can't go specifically. I think it just keep going along this right wall, and there'll be a stack of boxes, and that's where the Holo-Plan piece will be. Okay, somewhere along the right wall, you'll find it. Okay, yeah, that's where it'll be. Once you have that, you can do this. But you have all of the Holo-Plan pieces, and you followed my guide all the way through. Thank you for watching, by the way. So I'll throw that in there. You go up here to Sargasso, and this is where you get the amazing Rhino 4. Guys, I cannot tell you how excited I was when I first used the Rhino 4. It is amazing. It makes the games so easy. Some people complain because it's so easy. It's awesome though. I like it. Almost done with this video. So you right here, go to the smuggler and press triangle, and he'll be like, you know, you trade in all your Holo-Plan pieces, and he'll give you the weapon. Okay. So if you come here and you press triangle, and he tells you you don't have all of them, go back to my other videos. You obviously missed one. Okay. So if you followed my guide, you will be able to get the Rhino 4. You'll have all of them. Okay. And it's this planet only. You can't go to the smuggler anywhere else. It has to be here. Pretty sure. So if I'm wrong in this comment, but I'm pretty sure it has to be here. Alright? So that's the Holo-Plan guide. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.